Hi and welcome to Belgian Decals Restorations. I'm Johan and spinning rounds on the screen is a Lesney Matchbox 73B Ferrari F1. This model was issued between 1962 and 1968 and only produced in one version, Ferrari red with the number 73. A nicely detailed model with spoked wheels and plastic tires. It also featured a driver which is missing on this model. The model is based on a 1961 Ferrari 156 Formula 1 race car, which was nicknamed the Sharknose for its distinctive pointed front end with the large air intakes. The 156 made its debut at the 1961 Monaco Grand Prix. The streamlined design was by the hand of Ferrari designer Carlo Citti. The race car received a 190 horsepower 6-cylinder engine which allowed it to reach maximum speeds of 260 km per hour. The model on the turntable is in a state that can be expected from a play toy that is more than 60 years old. The paint and the decals are damaged, the metal parts have dulled and the car is missing its driver, which was only held in place by a small peg. This should be a straightforward restoration for a change, so let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. The 1961 Ferrari 156, nicknamed Sharknose, was an iconic race car. Iconic enough for Leslie to make a Matchbox model out of it. This model was in a play-worn state with flaking paint, damaged decals, and it was missing its driver. It just needed a thorough refresh. Sadly, I messed up with the decals by spraying them with automotive acrylic clear. So I had to redo the paint job, and since I didn't have any decals anymore and they were out of stock at the supplier, I had to improvise. Luckily, I bought a bunch of generic decals a while ago. The racing numbers are not exactly the same font, but they don't look out of place either. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.